Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I have an unboxing video. This is the March My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. This kit was just jam-packed full of gorgeous supplies. I'm going to show you the papers first, and then I'll show you everything else that we got in the kit. I think this first paper really showcases just how gorgeous this collection is. This is the 49 and Market Countryside collection. I love the yellow, red, and green color scheme. And as always with 49 and Market, they have some beautifully drawn images and then lots of watercolor and variation in the background. On the other side, we have the same color scheme, same watercolor background, some text, and I think this would make a great background. This paper is of farmland, it looks like, and I love the newsprint on the top. And on the other side, we have this gorgeous dark paper. It looks like it's kind of a bluish gray color, and I think this would make a fantastic dark background. I'm really getting into dark backgrounds lately. Here's another paper that has these very beautifully drawn images with all of the mixed media look in the background. You could see there's a hint of chicken wire and some leaves, and again the watercolor background and some stitching. And then on this side is this beautiful monochromatic paper, but you can see there are a lot of hints of things like doilies and some leaves, some print. That'd be another great background, but then again, so would that. Here we have a nice big sunflower and a bee and some other sunflowers in the background. And then on the back, this very different black and white, I believe this is a gingham with the newsprint in the background as well. Here's another beautiful paper, again with that same red, yellow, and green color scheme, and again these beautiful images of things you would see on the countryside or in the countryside. And then on the other side is this red gingham. Again, though, it's not just a plain red gingham, it has lots of other elements in here. There are some sketched peas, it looks like, some print, and then some watercolor effects there too. I love this. This is so cute. I love the way they're facing each other too. We have the beautiful leaves and we have some ink drawings, and again with the newsprint and the beautiful mixed media look in the background. And then on the other side, this beautiful green paper, again with lots of variation. And I absolutely love this branding strip with the black and white stripes. Here we have more sunflowers, this time on a slightly smaller scale. The print and the gingham in the background. And on the other side, we have the newsprint. This time it has a green wash over it. I love this yellow. It's such a beautiful, bright yellow. It really pops off the page. And then again, we have the red and the green, and we have flowers and butterflies on this page. On the other side, another beautiful background paper, and here you could see the chicken wire in the background. This page is from another collection called Botanical. We have these beautiful branches, and the flowers and butterflies are yellow, goes along perfectly with the other collection. And here's a great page to use as a background. You can do some mixed media on here. Well, you could do anything with it, but that's what I'm thinking, maybe of doing some mixed media on this page. Here we have another beautiful paper with the leaves, the yellow butterflies, the yellow flowers, and then some print in the background. And on the other side, we have another paper that could be used once again as a background, or there are many other uses for it. And I just love the way it is an off-white paper, but there's just so much to look at. There's a grid, there's a whitewash, there's some slightly darker tones, some print. We also get this gorgeous paper. You can see that this has the chicken wire in gold. This is from a Prima collection. This is such a great paper to go along with the other papers. This is what I love about the kits. All of the planning and coordinating is done for you. And then on the other side is this really cool print. And then finally, we get this cut apart sheet. I always call these layering pieces. I like to use these behind my photos, but they come in handy for so many things. And then lots of images to cut out as well. Some leaves, some flowers, some butterflies, bees. Super pretty. And then of course, 49 and Market is known for their tickets. Awesome. Now I'll show you some of the other elements that we get this month. We also get this stamp. I love getting background stamps like this. This is a Prima stamp. I love the way there's a checkerboard and there's some writing on the checkerboard. I think this will look great in a background. And I love the way something about it just really goes with the countryside collection. And I was so excited to see that we not only get a stamp this month, we also get a stencil. This is an Echo Park stencil, and I love these little plus signs. I think this would be great to make texture on the backgrounds of layouts, and there's something about it that also goes really well with the collection. We also received the Countryside laser cut elements. I love these packs. There's so much in them. There's a picture on the front of the packaging to show you all of the images that you get in this pack, but I'm going to show you each of the sheets. On the back of the packaging or the cover sheet, there are lots of things you can use on your layouts. You can cut out these layering pieces, I like to call them. Love this image of flowers, this one as well. We have some tickets and then some flowers and butterflies you can cut apart. Now those are images that you can cut out with your scissors. The laser cuts are already cut out for you. I'll show you each sheet separately. On this first sheet, they have a long picket fence, a beautiful bow, some milk cans. I love this watering can. We used to have a watering can like that when I was younger. I love that. There's a basket, some garden tools. I love the birds, lots of different birds. I love these. I remember getting something similar to this in another 49 and Market collection a while back. I absolutely love using that. Some stamps, another bow, a flower cluster, some leaves. There's a weather vane here, some sentiments. Here's another one of those arrows and some chicken wire, a wheel, more bows, bees, more flowers, just so much on this sheet. And then we don't just get one sheet, we get two sheets. On this sheet, we get some bicycles, lots of tickets, some strips of tickets, another smaller fence, a basket. Here's some more flower clusters, some individual flowers. Here's a heart button, some pieces of lace, some labels, more of the chicken wire. Looks like some barbed wire over here. And these are very, very easy to punch out. They come out very easily from the backing. We also got this whole pack of ephemera bits. There are 102 pieces in here. On the back, they always show you everything that you get. I'm going to take the pieces out of the packaging just so you can get an idea of exactly what they look like. There's a lot in here. Here's everything that we get in the ephemera pack taken out of the packaging. We get lots of small frames. In the center of a lot of the frames, there are other embellishments that you can use on your layout, some images, some sentiments. And you could use the frames for photos, or you could use them in a decorative way on your layouts. So lots of frames in a lot of different colors and patterns. There are also a number of tags. Some are colorful, some are black and white, and then there are some smaller tags as well. There are lots of sentiments. There are a couple that are the color scheme of the collection. There's also some white on black and some black on white. And then up here we have two titles, Always Be Kind and We Belong Here. I love when they have titles. Here are some clocks with some images. Love those. Here are some labels, all different colors and two different styles. Tabs, two of each of the main colors that are in the collection. I love using these for dates or for writing where we were. And then there are a number of postcard looking pieces, perfectly matched to the country theme. We also have a whole bunch of layering pieces. Here are those images of flowers, the seed packet, or maybe they're posters for the company, the Burpee catalog, and a whole bunch of other cards that you could layer together on your layouts, or you could punch things out of them. There's so much you could do with these pieces, and they have them in black and white. They have them in different colors. There's a green one. I find these come in super handy, and then they have these cute little images over here. There's smaller versions of what we've seen, and they have these little egg saver, little like commercial signs, and then finally tickets, lots of tickets. Different colors, different sizes, black and white. They have long ones, short ones, strips of tickets. 49 Market often has a great selection of tickets in their ephemera pack. So that's everything we get in the ephemera pack. I think there's quite a nice variety here. I just wanted to mention that at the very end of the video, I always include images of all of the layouts that I made with the kit, so you can get an idea of what the kit looks like once it's translated into some layouts. The last thing that we get in the kit is my favorite thing. It's the packs of dimensional flowers. We got two 49 Market packs and one Prima pack, and you could see that they are perfectly matched to the colors in this collection. I think that I'm just absolutely in love with this pack of flowers. It's beautiful. I love the red. I love the buds. There are some larger ones, and look at these little tiny ones. Look at these little pieces. I just absolutely love that. These delicate little leaves. This is just absolutely gorgeous. The yellow flowers are gorgeous too, all different shades of yellow. And then the green pack also has some buds, some smaller flowers. It also has some leaves. And then, of course, the larger green flowers in different shades of green. So I am really looking forward to using this kit. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it useful. Stay tuned for a few more seconds and you'll see all of the layouts that I created this month. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.